morning, Paw Patrol. Hey, Rubble, your uncle just dropped off a late birthday present for you.
Oh, a late birthday present?
And he brought candy for everybody. Candy?
What? Candy?
She said candy.
Yeah.
Woohoo!
Yeah.
I love candy!
Yummy, yummy. Watch out, guys. Watch me.
Uh-oh, I'm in a mess.
Looks like Chase fell on his face.
Don't worry, we'll help clean it up.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Whoa, wait a second, pups. Whoa, look at that. Check that out.
And here's
Oh
your
my
present.
goodness.
Look at that.
Whoa, whoa, sweet.
That's the best gift ever.
Me first. Yeah. Here we go. Wow. Ow. Oh, wow, Rubble, are you okay? Perhaps, maybe we can just put all of our candies inside there and treat it like it's a ball pit.
That's a great idea.
Yeah, that's an awesome idea, Zuma.
Here, pups, I'll help you. We'll start with the color blue. Here comes the blue candy. Whoa. Next, we'll do the color orange.
My next. Let's do the green one,
Looks like Skye's ready to fly. Here comes the pink candy. Red, do the red one.
All right, save the best for last. Birthday boy.
Yellow. All right, I'm gonna mix them all up for you.
All right, I'm gonna go down the slide first. Here I go. Whoa, Geronimo!
My turn. Here I go. Whoa! Wow! That was fun.
All right, gonna take a dive. Woo! Here I go. Whoa! That was fun.
All right, I'm going backwards. Woo!
All right, here I go. It's my turn. All right, it's my turn. Here I go. Whoa, check this out. Whoa!
All right.
Yeah,
Look what I can do. Wow.
This is the best gift ever. You should definitely thank your uncle, Rubble. Oh yeah, definitely, Chase. This is the best gift ever. I hope everybody had an awesome time.
Thanks for watching, everyone. See you next time.
My turn. Next.